How to make a transparent header in Shopify step by step. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a transparent header in your Shopify store. So if you want to elevate your Shopify store further and create a more dynamic appearance, easily follow this tutorial and create a transparent header. So what a transparent header allows you to do is that you can have a extension of your first image banner directly to the top of your screen. This can help in making a more cohesive appearance for your store. Plus, it just makes your store look a whole lot more customized. So to get started, all you have to do is head on over to your Shopify dashboard. Now, we are going to make some changes to the code, but it will be very simple and it's a basic copy and paste, so you guys can follow along as well. Now, once you're in your Shopify dashboard, click on Online Store on the left panel. Once you click on Online Store, you will see your current theme, and you are going to click on these three dots and click on Edit Code. Now, just as a precautionary method, I do like to recommend people to add a duplicated version in their theme library of their original Shopify store. The reason for that is in case you make any mistakes, you can be safe rather than sorry and have a alternate version or the pre-existing version of your Shopify store ready to be published. But it's very simple. You can directly go into Edit Code. Now, once you go into Edit Code, on the top left, you will find this file over here, which is theme.liquid. So if you can't find it, you can just go into the search files section and search for theme.liquid, and you will find it in the left panel. So once you have opened up theme.liquid, you are going to click anywhere on the code. Once you click anywhere on the code, click on Command F, or if you're on a Windows device, you can click on Control F, and this dialog box at the bottom will appear. At this dialog box, you're going to type in /body. That is all you have to type, and then click on Next. Now, this will highlight /body, which is probably going to be at the bottom of your code. Usually, this will be at the bottom of your code. You can scroll directly to the bottom and you will find /body. However, if it is not at the bottom, it's probably somewhere in between. So you can simply select the code and click on Command F or Control F and then search for it. So it's easier for you to locate this particular string of code. Now, once you've done that, you are going to click right behind /body and press on return. This will give you an empty line between the previous code and this code. Make sure you don't mess with any of the code present above. Just click on the section where it says /body and then click on return a couple of times so you have a few different empty lines where you can write your own code. Now, from here, you're going to copy this code. I will leave a link to this code in the description box down below. And one thing to note is that you need to make sure you copy this bracket to bracket. If you miss out on anything, it's going to not work. So make sure you copy this bracket and the one at the end as well, and then click on copy. Once you've done that, you're going to go back into your Shopify code and you're going to paste it above the body section, the place where we created these empty lines. Just select any empty line and then click on paste over here. Once you've done that, you are going to click on save on the top right. And once you click on save, click on preview store. And you guys can see now our header has become transparent. And for a more seamless look, I can remove the background of my logo. I have a black background on my logo. Now, this is just one simple customization that you can make. However, I'll show you guys another way where you can further elevate your front page on your Shopify store, because your storefront can be a really impactful place, and the front page of your store can really make or break a customer's impression of your store. So if you want to add a looping video that has no buttons, no nothing, and it's going to be looping automatically, I'll show you guys how to do that as well. So for that, you are going to go into your Shopify code. Since you're already here, you are going to go into sections on the left. And then once you go into sections, you're going to click on add new section. So in these folders over here, click on add new section and make sure to add this in the sections file. And then this will say liquid or JSON. Keep it at liquid and then add the file name to background /video and then click on done. Now, once you click on done over here, this will create a new code file and you're going to remove the pre-existing code. And then you can copy this code over here. This is a video banner code, and this is a really long code, so make sure you copy it correctly. You're just going to copy this entire code, and it's a pretty long code. So we're just going to copy this like so. And once you do that, go back into your newly created section and paste it. Once you've done that, click on save. Now, once you have saved this asset, you're going to click on exit and click on customize on your Shopify store. Once you open up the customization section, you are going to click on add section over here. And if you scroll down to the sections, it will actually show you video background. So you can click on video background and add your own video file over here. Now, to add your own video file, you will have to go into your dashboard and then click on content on the left, click on files, and click on upload files. And then you can upload any video that you want to insert. Let's say for us, it's this video, and I will upload that into the content files section for this to be added into our Shopify store. And you can even do this in the header section. So if you place this right below the header, this would be the video that is extended towards the header, and it would look like you have a video header, which is a really elevated appearance for your Shopify store. So I'm just going to wait for this to be completed so we can insert this into our Shopify store. Now, once this file has been uploaded in the media section, you're going to go back into your online store, and then you're going to click on customize. Once you click on customize, click on add section, scroll down and click on video background. Once you click on video background, click on video slide, and then you're going to see a description and then a video link. Now, from here, you're going to click on select image, or you can select video, and we're going to see video file, the text color, the button link as well. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the link from my Shopify store. So I'll have to exit this again, but I'll open up my Shopify store, go into content, go into files, and then I'm going to copy the link for my video that I just uploaded and then paste that link over here. Once you've done that, you are going to just click on this link, and just like that, your video slide will appear. Now you can remove any of the text if you don't want that. And then I can also move this video section to the top like this, right below. And now we have this amazing header, which actually has a video integrated into it. And you can choose the video background, and you can, customize the text colors if you want to insert any text. You can add buttons over here like you normally would, structure your initial checkout or your initial page. And just click on save over here. And once I've done that, I can click on exit, and I'll show you guys our new Shopify store with a transparent video header. So not only can you build a transparent header, but also a video header that is transparent. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if there is anything else you'd like to know, or anything that I missed out on, leave that in the comment box down below. I would love to know what you guys have to say, and I will leave the links for this code in the description box down below. Catch you guys in the next video.